Sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Meghalaya ba Prestone Tensong ha ka arpu etrek risau ulayada ya ke Sorkar halor ke jing penslem ban Iohshimti ke jaka ha metor ha ke bedai bat ke jing mi kubor ba ke Sorkar kan sa Iohshimti no ekne ke jaka laban kedau hang ne ba ke basdang jong benai risau Menteri Rangba ke Jylla konrad kongkal sangma ulong ba ke Sorkar kan sa Iohshimti no ekne ke jaka hapok syitayo Hendrai ke Sorkar kampat shimlala ban le ekne kat hadu mentah Habakran halor kene kejing slem ban Iohshimti uba Prestone tensong ulong badang haki kendiat sengi belalej. Ya kapisa bakod arglor Tyngka lamang kum kata ke premium na kebentangan ke jaka ya ke bahab ban Iohshimti na usiem ke Hima Mylliem. Uba Prestone tensong ulong ba on daladep ban yo ekene kapisa on sa Iohshimti no ekene ke jaka. Hablakeli halor kajing tuklar jong ki wek iken huon ki banabar ke Jylla halor kene gamat kabede ba metor. Uba Prestone tensong ulong ba ke Sorkar ke sengutho e ke jing sengukya jengki na gebenta ki jat benriau ki bayadai ke jok ke jat batki. Ndrai ulong ba ke Sorkar Jylla hi ka ban bot ki badai kat kum ki kendon an.
In this particular case, the question of Land Transfer Act does not arise. The land belongs to municipal board, Shillong Municipal Board. Let us go back to the agreement, the lease agreement between the Siew of Hima Mylliem and the Shillong Municipal Board, 1954. Go back to the agreement, whether the agreement is with the Harijan themselves or the agreement is with Shillong Municipal Board. If the agreement 1954 mentioned directly that the agreement was signed between the Siew of Mylliem and the Harijan, I have nothing to say. But the agreement, I'm telling you, I've gone through, I've studied, I've checked, the original lease agreement signed was between the Siew of Mylliem and the Shillong Municipal Board, which prove that the lands belong to the Shillong Municipal Board. If we don't submit, they will say why HLC did not submit, why government sleeping over the committee. When we submitted, they said why you submitted during by-election. I think there is no end on that. But let me just assure you, government is dedicated, government is sincere enough. We have submitted. By-election will be ended on 30th of this month. So you have to see, beyond 30th of this month, are you trying to say that we will just dump this issue? We will not. That's what I'm telling you. We have already sat. Cabinet has already sat once. And we are going to sit more times after the 30th of this month, after the by-election. So therefore, the allocation made by vested interest people, I think I will not listen. Because these are only a political game made by some vested party or vested interest people. Just like that. But from the government side, let me just tell you, we are sincere and nobody did it during the Congress government. I was with Congress from 2003 till 2018, early 18. Nothing we discussed about this issue, but this government, from 18 when we took over the government, we constituted a committee, and also report has been submitted. And not only submitted, Cabinet has already discussed once. We are going to discuss more about the report, the recommendation made by the high-level committee. Just few days back, sanction has been accorded. Sanction has been accorded, and now it's only a few, maybe few more days, transfer will take place, where the amount will be transferred directly to the aim of Hima Mylliem. And once that is done, physical taking possession of that land will take place. 2 crores, around 2 crores something.